Exercise 13.2, question number 1. The curved surface area of right circular cylinder of height 14 cm is 88 cm square. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. Height is given 14 cm. Curved surface area is 88 cm square. We have to find the diameter of right circular cylinder. To find the diameter of right circular cylinder, we use the given condition, that is curved surface area of the cylinder, which is equal to 88 cm square. Students, we know that curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi multiply r multiply h equal to 88. 2 pi is 22 by 7. We have to find the radius. When we find the radius, then we will find diameter. Multiply, height is 14 cm equal to 88. 7 1 is 7, and when we cut 14 with 7, we get 2 here. 2 multiply 22 is 44, and 44 multiply 2 is 88. 88 multiply r equal to 88. R equal to 88 upon 88. 88 and 88 will be cancel out. So we get radius 1 centimeter. Now we have the radius. With the help of this radius, we find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. Since diameter is equals to 2 multiply radius equal to 2 multiply 1 centimeter. So our diameter of the base of the cylinder is 1 centimeter, which is our required answer. Question number 2, exercise 13.2. It is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter and base diameter 140 centimeter from a metal sheet. How many square meters of the sheet are required for the same? Here, height of cylindrical tank is given 1 meter and diameter is given as 140 centimeter. Since we have to find metal sheet in square meters, so here I have already converted centimeters into meter. 140 centimeter will be converted to 1.4 meter by dividing it with 100. Now with this diameter we can find the radius, because radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Diameter is 1.4 divided by 2. 1.4 divided by 2 is 0.7 meter. Now total surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi r bracket r plus h. 2 multiply 22 by 7, because the value of pi is 22 by 7, multiply radius is 0.7 bracket open, radius 0.7 plus height is 1 meter. 7 ones are 7 and 7 0.1s are 0.7. Now 2 multiplied 22 is 44, and when we multiply 44 with 0.1 we get 4.4. 0.7 plus 1 is 1.7. 4.4 multiply with 1.7 results 7.48 meter square. Student, do calculation by your own. Hence 7.48 meter square metal sheet is required to make close cylindrical tank. Question number 3, exercise 13.2. A metal pipe is 77 cm long. The inner diameter of a cross section is 4 cm. The outer diameter being 4.4 cm. Find its first inner curved surface area, second outer curved surface area, and in the third part total surface area. In this question, let inner radius R1, which is equal to inner diameter upon 2, equal to 4 cm over 2. When we solve this, it will become 2 cm. Similarly, outer radius, which is R2, is equal to outer diameter over 2, and after solving it, it will become 2.2 centimeter. Now, in first part, we have to find inner curved surface area with the help of 2 pi R1 H. R1 is the inner radius. Look at the figure. R1 is the inner radius and R2 is the outer radius. Substituting the value of pi, R1 and H, it will become 968 centimeter square. Similarly, outer curved surface area is equal to 2 pi R2H. R2 is the outer radius. Height will be the same for both inner and outer curved surface area. Again, substituting the values of pi, R2 is 2.2 centimeter and height is 77. When we solve this, it will become 1064.8 centimeter square. And in the last part, we have to find total surface area of pipe, this pipe, which is equal to inner curved surface area plus outer curved surface area plus area of both circular ends of the pipe, the circular end, top and bottom. Area of both circular ends of pipe. We already solved inner curved surface area and outer curved surface area. Substituting the value here, inner curved surface area is 968 plus outer curved surface area is 1064.8. Now, area of circular ends of a pipe is pi r2 outer radius whole square minus inner radius raised to power 2. Students, we have to multiply this formula with 2 because there are two circular ends of this pipe. 968 plus 1064.8 plus 2, again substituting the values here, 22 by 7 bracket r2 raised to power 2 is 2.2 raised to power 2 minus r1 raised to power 2 is 2 raised to power 2. 968 plus 1064.8 is 2032.8 plus, when we solve this, it will become 5.28. On adding this, we get 2038.08 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of the pipe. Question number 4, exercise 13.2. The diameter of a roller is 84 centimeter and its length is 120 centimeter. It takes 500 complete revolutions to move once over to level a playground. Find the area of the playground in meter square. In this question, height of the roller is 120 centimeter and radius of roller, let it take small r, is equal to diameter of roller divided by 2, because in this question diameter of the roller is given. With the help of diameter we can find the radius. Diameter is 84 divided by 2. When we solve this, we get 42. So our radius is 42 centimeter. Since we have to find the area in meter squares, so we have to convert 120 centimeters into meter and also 42 centimeter into meter. When we divide 120 with 100, it will convert it to meter. 120 divided by 100 is 1.2 meter. Similarly, 42 divided by 100 is 0.42 meter. Now, we have to find curved surface area of roller, which is equal to 2 pi r h. 2 multiply 22 by 7, value of the pi, multiply radius is 0.42, multiply height is 1.2. 7 1 is 7, and when we cut 0.42 with 7, we get 0.6. When we solve this, we get 3.168 meter square. So, area of ground leveled in one revolution is equal to 3.168 meter square. But we have to find area of ground leveled in 500 revolution. Hence, area of ground leveled in 500 revolution is equal to, we multiply 3.168 with 500, so we get 1584 meter square, which is your required answer. Exercise 13.2, question number 5. A cylindrical pillar is 50 cm in diameter and 3.5 meter in height. Find the cost of painting the curved surface of the pillar at the rate of rupees 12.50 per meter square. In this question, height of cylindrical pillar is given 3.5 meter. Radius of cylindrical pillar is equal to diameter upon 2. Because in this question diameter is given, with the help of this diameter we can find the radius of cylindrical pillar by dividing it with 2. So radius is 25 centimeter. But units must be same to solve the question. So here 25 centimeter converted to 0.25 meter by dividing it with 100. Now both units are same. Students, we have to find firstly curved surface area of cylindrical pillar, which is equal to curved surface area of a cylinder, that is 2 pi RH. Substituting the values here, 2 multiply pi is 22/7. Radius is 0.25 meter and height is 3.5 meter. After solving it, it will become 5.5 meter square. Since cost of painting 1 meter square area is equal to rupees 12.50 given in the question, therefore cost of painting 5.5 meter square area is equal to rupees 12.50 multiply 5.5. 5.5 is the curved surface area of cylindrical pillar. Therefore, after solving it, we get rupees 68.75, which is the required answer. Exercise 13.2, question number 6. Curved surface area of right circular cylinder is 4.4 meter square. If the radius of the base of the cylinder is 0.7 meter, find its height. This question is very similar to question number 1. In this question, radius and curved surface area is given. we have to find the height of right circular cylinder. Since curved surface area of a cylinder is already given, that is 4.4 meter square, so we already know curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH equal to 4.4. 2 multiply, here pi is 22 by 7, radius is 0.7, multiply height equal to 4.4. 7 1 is 7, and when we cut 0.7 with 7 we get 0.1. Now 2 multiply 22 is 44. 44 multiply 0.1 is 4.4. Multiply height equal to 4.4. When 4.4 transpose to right hand side, it will divide the 4.4. Here now height is 4.4 divided by 4.4. 4.4 and 4.4 will be cancelled out. We get height 1 meter, which is our required answer. Question number 7, exercise 13.2. The inner diameter of a circular well is 3.5 meter. It is 10 meter deep. Find first its inner curved surface area. Second, the cost of plastering this curved surface at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. Here, depth is the height of circular well, which is 10 meter. To find the radius, we use the formula diameter upon 2, because diameter is given in the question, which is 3.5 meter. When we divide it with 2, it will become 1.75 meter. For first part, inner curved surface area, we use 2 pi RH, which is equal to 2 multiply 22 by 7, the value of pi, multiply radius is 1.75 meter, multiply height is 10 meter. When we solve it, it will become 110 meter square. Student, do calculation by your own. For second part, the cost of plastering this curved surface at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square is equal to rupees 110 multiply 40, which is equal to rupees 4,400. These are the required answers. Question number 9, exercise 13.2. Find the lateral or curved surface area of a closed cylindrical petrol storage tank that is 4.2 meter in diameter and 4.5 meter high. In second part, we have to find how much steel was actually used if 1/12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank. First part, height is 4.5 meter, radius is equal to diameter upon 2, and diameter in this question is 4.2 meter. Diameter when divided by 2 gives 2.1 meter radius of the cylindrical petrol storage tank. Curved surface area of cylindrical petrol storage tank is equal to 2 pi RH. 2 multiply 22 by 7, the value of pi, multiply 2.1, value of radius, and the value of height is 4.5. When we solve this, we get 59.4 meter square, the curved surface area of cylindrical petrol storage tank. This is required answer of part 1. For part 2, we have to find total surface area of cylindrical petrol storage tank, which is equal to 2 pi r bracket r plus h. Substituting the value of pi r is 2.1 bracket 2.1 plus and the value of h, which is 4.5. When we solve this, we get total surface area of cylindrical petrol storage tank 87.12 meter square. Now let the area of steel used to make this cylindrical tank equal to x meter square. Steel wasted in making the tank, which is given in the question, is 1/12 of actual steel, that is 1/12 x meter square, because we have assumed that total steel is x meter square. Therefore, the total steel used in cylindrical tank is equal to x minus 1/12 x, which is equal to 11x/12 meter square. According to the question, 11x over 12 is equal to 87.12 total surface area of cylindrical petrol storage tank. Now x equal to 87.12 multiply 12 over 11. After solving it, it will become 95.04 meter square. Hence 95.04 meter square steel is required to make this cylindrical petrol storage tank. This is the required answer of part 2. Exercise 13.2, question number 10. In the figure 13.12, you see the frame of a lamp shade. It is to be covered with a decorative cloth. The frame has a base diameter of 20 cm and height of 30 cm. A margin of 2.5 cm is to be given for folding it over the top and bottom of the frame. Find how much cloth is required for covering the lampshade. In this question, height of the frame of the lampshade is 30 cm plus 2.5 plus 2.5 centimeter equal to 35 centimeter. 2.5 and 2.5 is margin over the top and the bottom of the frame. Radius equal to diameter upon 2. Here diameter is 20 centimeter. When it divided by 2, students, we get radius 10 centimeter. Now we have to find cloth for covering the lampshade by using formula 2 pi r h, which is the curved surface area of the cylinder. Substituting the value, and when we solve this, it will become 2200 centimeter square. This is our required answer. Question number 11. The students of a Vidyalaya were asked to participate in a competition for making and decorating pen holders in the shape of a cylinder with a base using cardboard. Each pen holder was to be of radius 3 cm and height 10.5 cm. The Vidyalaya was to be supply the competitors with cardboard. If there were 35 competitors, how much cardboard was required to bought for the competition? Here, height of each pen holder is 10.5 cm and radius is 3 cm. Students, pen holder is open at the top. Therefore, the area of cardboard for one pen holder is 2 pi rh plus pi r square. We have not included the area of top of the pen holder. Now, to multiply, the value of pi is 22 by 7, multiply radius is 3 cm, multiply height 10.5 centimeter plus 22 by 7 plus 3 raised to power, multiply 3 raised to power 2. When we solve this, it will become 1584 over 7 centimeter square. Students, in this question, there were 35 competitors in a competition. So, area of cardboard for 35 pen holders equal to 1584 over 7 multiply 35 centimeter square. It will become 7920 centimeter square after solving. This is our required